There's something crunchy on my floor.
I'm still a even though it's salty. Hate to see you are you happy? Hate to see you want me, you don't have to look at it. I'm so much sure. I need your therapist to tell me there's a way I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have.
Hello. So, what's up guys, it's Keely and welcome back to another cleaning video. This is probably part 2756. My aunt recently came up here to stay with us. She's from Florida. In the amount of time that she was here, my room got very messy. And I didn't pick up after myself. So, today I'm going to be cleaning my room, and I thought I'd take y'all along a little bit of a motivation type video. Motivational. Yeah. It is hot in here. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. Just kidding. I have clothes on. Let's begin. Alright y'all, so this is the room. It is quite the mess, but don't you worry, we're gonna get it all cleaned up in no time. So yeah, I know it's bad, and that's the thing with my brain, is that when I know it's bad, I don't want to clean it. However, I have to, otherwise I get my phone taken away for the next 5 months. Or years. We're gonna start by organizing the clothes. I think that it's mainly what's in everyone's room. It's just clothes. I don't like putting away laundry, so I don't. And that's where this mess kind of starts from. And then I don't know what's clean and what's not. Half of the stuff that I have on the floor just came out of the laundry. And they're like, they're mostly winter clothes, and we just got into the actual spring season here. Where I live, it's always cold. However, it just got up to 60 degrees yesterday. It was hot. It's getting hot in here. Bro can't find her balance. I don't think bro has balance. There's something crunchy on my floor. I'm gonna organize the clothes right now that are from the depths of my closet. Girl, this is a long sleeve. So usually t-shirts, regular t-shirts, I fold and put in my dresser. And then cute crop top type outfits that don't have the same shape as one another go hung up in my closet. You guys like my Shrek socks? Probably can't even see them. Wee! Oh, I missed. Hey, yo. Y'all, I need friends. If you want to come over, my address is at 81 Nurston Street. I wouldn't even tell you what color socks I got on. That's a trick question, because I'm not wearing any. I think my mom's concerned, because every time I make a YouTube video, she's like, why would you make that as a YouTube video? Because it brings me joy. Oh, my camera's crooked. We're moving on to the next thing, because I have no patience for clothes anymore. They're just all on my bed at this point. So, here's my dirty mirror, my dirty vanity, and we're gonna be cleaning it. I like to keep all my perfumes and stuff together, so this is one of them. The top came off somehow, which is weird because I never used this one, so I don't know how that happened, but it's okay. I'll figure it out. I'll torture one of my sisters. Who said that? And then I have my favorite perfume of all time. This is the Your Turn by Billie Eilish. Obsessed. Obsessed doesn't even describe how obsessed I am with this perfume. Then I have this perfume, it's Mysterious Rock. My friend actually got it for me for my birthday, like, I want to say like last weekend. She said it reminded her of Avril Lavigne, the box, and the thing in general. And she knows I love Avril Lavigne, so. Gonna go into a coma with this stuff. And then up here I also have my Solar Flare Body Butter. The Solar Flare Body Mist glittery stuff. The Classic Whip by Vacation. This is like the sunscreen that looks like whipped cream. My CeraVe toner. My Mario Badescu drying lotion. I just started using this stuff. And then another thing, last thing I keep up on here, like on the surface for like makeup and like treatments and stuff, is my piercing aftercare, because I just got my nose pierced and I need to clean it. Someone opened up my foundation and now it's all over. Guys, I did not do that. What the heck? My perfume was in there too. Hello? Ari by Ariana. Ariana. It got all over my... I'm done. I'm done buying makeup. Goodbye. I get so annoyed when my siblings touch my makeup because I specifically tell them probably weekly not to go into my stuff, and I even tell my parents, hey, can you like tell them this again and again and again? And they do, and they're like, oh, sorry, didn't mean to. Do I need to buy a lock for my door? And then I have the Garner Fruit styling gel, which I use for hair gel, but then mainly I use it for my eyebrow gel, because eyebrow gel is expensive, and this stuff is like $2 to get a big thing, so I just use the big thing of them. And believe it or not, I have this little compartment. It has all of my hair products, so. Oh my gosh, that freaked me out. I thought someone was in the corner of my room. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see my heart jump out of my throat when I like turned it? Anyways, I have this little picture of me and Cinderella from when I was like 3. It's clean now. Also clean now. This is not clean. Oh well. So I sleep like a taco at night. Like, I wonder if tacos feel comfort. Well, they don't feel anything, they're not alive. But like, I wonder if they were alive, if they feel comfort. Because that's how I feel wrapped in my blankets at night. I wrap myself in so many blankets. I'm gonna get a breath. Bethy! Oh, I have a story. So when I used to go to therapy... So when I was in therapy, I had this therapist named Betsy. Betsy is literally the name of a cow. So automatically not very good vibes. So I saw her for, I want to say, a month and a half. It could have been longer, it could have been shorter. I'm sure to me it felt like such a long time at the time. But now that I look back at it, it seems like it wasn't that long. Basically, every time I would go to therapy, my Betsy wouldn't care about anything I said. She would literally only listen to my parents. And I get that. That's what she's supposed to, like, hear what I had to say, hear my parents' side, combine them, make them good. She only listened to my parents. So that was one thing that made me want to get out of there. Second thing was she made me cry so many times, and she did not care. She could have cared less. She was like, I'm sorry, this is what we got. No. You're my therapist, and you're making me feel worse. So that's a little rant session today. Actually, that's not even the last one. I was supposed to go to Fanatics Fest this year. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I was supposed to. However, and I was going to make, like, a full, like, video on it. My dance recital is that weekend. But at least you have that coming up for videos, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'll be back in 1 second. Vlog time. It didn't work. Hold up. 5 seconds. It's the next day. I didn't get to finish cleaning my room yesterday, so we're gonna finish it today. I have to make my bed, and then that'll get rid of all the stuff on the floor, except for dirty clothes, which I need to put away. And then I'm gonna clean my mirrors and desktop area type thing, like the surfaces. There we go. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. Let's go get things to wipe down surfaces. I wish y'all could like really see this.
It's like all dusty. Guys, the mascara's not coming off.
You guys, it's all finished. If you want to see my room tour video, it all finished, make sure to subscribe and wait and watch until next week. Love you all. Goodbye.